Hello from Chef Diamond's Kitchen. Today I share how to make vegetable stew soup. I call it stew soup because I can use it to eat any swallow, rice or yam. In this vegetable stew sauce, I will be using Swiss chard vegetable. You can also use any other vegetable like pumpkin, water leaf, etc. In a clean pot, I added my meat seasoned with some salt, chopped onions, seasoning cube. I gave it a stir and allow cook in its own juice for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I have my tomatoes here, garlic, bell pepper and scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to blend them together, roughly blend them together, adding my concentrated tomatoes to it. Now that is ready, I'm going to set aside. I washed my vegetable thoroughly with bicarbonate and salt. Now I'm going to slice them and set aside too. Let's check on our meat. Yes, now is ready. Now let's eat some palm oil and fry our fishes. I'm going to fry for about 3 minutes. Scoop them out and set aside too. Now I will start frying my blended tomatoes, onions and bell pepper, adding some basil paste and allow cook for just 5 minutes. I added another seasoning cube to it. Now that it's ready, let's start adding our sliced vegetable to it and the shrimps. We are going to cover and allow cook again. This time the vegetable is already going down. We are going to stir very well and start adding our obstacles, the meat and the fishes. Now let's stir again. Now after adding the fishes, we are going to cover and allow cook again, adding some of the meat brothers. Now that is ready, we are going to stir again. This is very delicious. You can use this to eat either yam or rice. I added some salt because I tasted it, there was just little salt. Thanks for watching this video. Please do share and see you next time.